Before we get into today's topic, hey everyone. Welcome to my channel today. We shall have a look at how your bank is using AI. This information may seem irrelevant to you, but trust me, it isn't. You need to know about it, and I shall be telling you why. Let us agree though, that increasing your knowledge base in any way is always a good thing, isn't it? Have this video, and I hope you all are very excited. Technology has long been used by the banking industry to increase productivity. Due to the fast expanding capability of artificial intelligence, we are currently witnessing a drastic upheaval in the finance sector. The major banks are utilizing artificial intelligence to enhance their offerings, create fresh goods, and make new acquisitions or investments. The financial industry has been greatly impacted by artificial intelligence. In the financial sector, artificial intelligence is frequently employed for big data processing, analysis, and decision-making. To make investing decision, investment, insurance firms, and hedge funds are depending more and more on data science and information processing. There are three major areas where banks have realized they can use AI to save on costs. Banks are using AI for chatbots and conversational banking in the front office. This is greatly improving customer experience, as has been reported by many. They have invested in fraud detection and in risk management, which happens in the middle office, making your bank safe and your money or investments safe. They can also be used in the back office for underwriting. Companies such as Capital One, JP Morgan Chase, and even US banks have invested in several of these AI systems. On that note, have you watched the video on top finance companies that are using AI? If not, make sure to do so after this video. Let us have a look at more details on these AI. Your bank is using AI to reduce operational costs and risks. Humans are to err, and many times, the day at the bank may end with several of the cashiers having shorts in their mathematics of the day. This is very costly to the cashier and even to the bank at large. The bank could even lose a customer because of such experiences. Secondly, banks have employed chatbot AI in their operations. This has reduced the number of employers working in customer service. The reduction of employers required in banks has led to a reduction in operational costs. With the use of AI, most information can be stored by AI. This means a reduced number of paperwork, and paper printing in banks can be quite a ridiculous number. This also ensures a reduction in the operation costs of the company. The bots are able to deliver personalized answers, and this has greatly improved user experience and user satisfaction. We shall expound on these two shortly for you to get an even better picture. The major disadvantage of this is that it may lead to unemployment, since one AI can do what very many employers could have done. Definitely not good for the economics of a country. Your bank is using AI to improve customer experience. In recent days, customers do not have to queue in the banks physically. The process has been automated, and as you come into the bank, you will key in what you need, and the AI will do the queuing while you comfortably have a seat and sip your water as you wait for the lady on the speakers to call on your name and direct you. How convenient. The introduction of chatbots has also greatly improved customer experience. Chatbots is trained to be very specific in giving answers. You can ask for whatever you need, even at the convenience of your house. It is obvious that convenience really counts to me, so anything that brings more convenience, be sure I will inform you about it. Your bank is using AI for fraud detection and regulatory compliance. Systems have been created to thoroughly check the security of your money, with almost zero errors. The system usually can analyze your data, both online and offline and social data, to verify identity, hence ensuring security. To determine whether an applicant's information is being used lawfully, the system runs predictive data science on data such as email addresses, phone numbers, IP addresses, and proxies. Users have reported improved security of their money, and even when traveling to other countries, you can use your card easily without error or failure, and importantly, very securely. On regulatory compromise, there is always something in people that makes them want to break rules, yet these rules were set up for a reason. For a good reason, some even to protect you. Even with a very strict guard, you still stand a chance of about 10% not following regulations. However, with AI, closely keeping an eye on customer behavior and audit, as well as log information to various compliance and regulation systems, your bank is using QI to improve loan and credit decisions. A bank is a business. At the end of the day, it must make profits. This includes making excellent decisions when it comes to loans and credit. AI will quickly and without error make these decisions, checking credit scores, checking credit history, checking customer references, and all of the client's banking transactions. The AI will make the decision as to whether an individual or even a company is creditworthy before you're given a loan or credit. This has equally helped loans to avoid huge losses. As a matter of fact, since loans are profitable for the bank, an error-free analysis will ensure the bank is making more profit. Your bank is using AI for the automation of the investment process. First of all, with the introduction of chatbots, they are advisors to clients, and the advice you shall get is personalized and customer-specific. The AI is able to identify untapped investments in the market using a specific highly trained algorithm, and this automated process helps in making smart investment choices, way smarter when put in comparison with human beings. Here is how you can use AI for your own personal finances. Think of it as your own personal bank. Do you ever want to be a financially smart person? Or maybe you are the type who forgets to pay your water bills. Would you like to track your finances to know which money you spend where, in case you want to make cuts? You can do so easily and effectively. Geniuses have found a way by creating an AI-powered application that can help you complete all these tasks very easily and effectively. The app will remind you when your bills are due, it will track all your spending, and can generate a report of your spending. Thanks to watching this video. Being a smart money person might never be a problem again. Examples of such apps include YNAB, Expensify, EveryDollar, Empower Personal Dashboard, Clio, and Zoho Expense. Yet, after trying them out in a few limited use cases, many banks have found it challenging to expand the use of AI technology throughout the organization. There are several reasons for this, including the absence of a clear AI strategy, an uncompromising and underfunded technical core, fragmented data assets, and outmoded operating procedures that obstruct collaboration between business and technology teams. The COVID-19 pandemic has also accelerated a lot of trends in digital engagement, and big tech companies are looking at financial services as the next adjacency. In order to compete effectively and thrive, established institutions must use AI technologies as the foundation for innovative value offerings and exceptional customer experiences. Everything good has a downside. It is on this downside that you shall decide whether this is something you would want to continue doing. Weigh the risks against the benefits. AI can be biased. The programming on how to make decisions is done by humans who are very biased and who have several assumptions already made. Some of these technologies used are immature, and even though they have been thought to have small errors, the effect has not been felt yet. It is only thought that upon making errors, the losses can be simply massive. There are chances that these things might not affect you personally, but you want to keep your money in a place of stability, in a place you're sure you will still have it intact, if not even more, in a few coming years. Thank you for watching this video. How else is your bank using AI? Please let the community know in the comment section. Like this video and share it widely. Here is yet another reminder to subscribe to my channel. Until next time, goodbye guys. I hope to see you in the next video.